Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the features of the Great States 14-inch Push Reel Lawn Mower. A perfect tool for maintaining a healthy lawn with its 4-blade reel and adjustable blade height ranging from 0.5 to 1.75 inches. This mower is equipped with 8.5-inch polymer wheels, ensuring easy maneuverability across your lawn, making your mowing experience smooth and efficient. Included with this mower is the American Lawn Mower Sharpening Kit, featuring a compound, brush, and crank to keep your blades in top condition. This do-it-yourself sharpening kit is designed to save you time and effort, allowing you to maintain the sharpness of your mower blades effortlessly. The sharpening kit is compatible with Great States, American Lawn Mower, Earthwise, and Scott's manual push mowers, offering versatility for various models. With this combination of a reliable mower and a convenient sharpening kit, you'll have everything you need to keep your lawn looking pristine. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more product insights. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.